Good morning, students. Today's family is U4BAC. Myself, Dr. Pratima Srivastav, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, JDB Government Girls College, Kota. Students, systematically, Bentham and Hooker classified U4BAC into dicotyledons, monocotyledony, and unisexuals. The members of this family are cosmopolitan in distribution, but they are more abundant in warmer regions and tropical regions of the world. 300 genera and 5,000 species are found worldwide. In India, this family is represented by 61 genera and 336 species. All these species are distributed in tropical and subtropical Himalayas and mountain ranges of South India. Common species of Euphorbiaceae are Poinsettia, Euphorbia pulcherrima, castor bean, Ricinus communis, cassava, Manihot esculenta, and edible Phyllanthus amblica, which is commonly known as amla. When we talk about the habit, plants belonging to this family are mesophytic or xerophytic in habitat. The family shows a great variation in vegetative and floral structures. They are mostly shrubs, for example, Euphorbia pulcherrima, Euphorbia splendens, Jatropha, or they are trees, for example, Amblica officinalis, Hevia brasiliensis, rubber, which is a rubber plant. Rarely they are herbs, for example, Acalypha, Phyllanthus. Since this plant belongs to dicotyledons, it shows taproot system and the roots are branched. Rarely they are adventitious. Then the stem is, in case of Euphorbia, it shows cactus-like habit with thick and fleshy stems and the leaves are reduced to spines. These plants often contain milky latex with a special lenticephorous vessels. लीफ की अगर हम बात करें तो leaves are usually alternate. They are opposite in Chlorophyllum or whorled in Mesodon. They are simple, entire, or sometimes they are deeply palmately lobed, for example, Ricinus and Jatropha, or they may be compound, for example, Bischofia. The stipules are usually present and they are represented by ciliate glands, for example, Jatropha, or they may be reduced to spines, as in Euphorbia. Venation is pinnate or palmate. In some species of Euphorbia, which has cactus-like habit, the leaves fall off early and photosynthesis is carried out by green stems. The leaves are variegated in croton. These are poinsettia, perianth, colorful red colored perianth is visible. Inflorescence is cythium. ये इसका जो सेंटर में दिखाई दे रहा है ये इसका cythium inflorescence है. It is commonly used as an ornamental plant. Floral characters की बात करें तो inflorescence is complex. The first branching is usually racemose and subsequent branchings are cymose. In Euphorbia and related genera, inflorescence is a cythium. Cythium जो है इसमें it is surrounded by an involucre of 4 or 5 connate bracts, and between these bracts, large and often colored glands are present, which bear petaloid appendages, as in E. milli. In the middle of the cythium के जो center है, there is a single female flower represented by a tricarpellary gynoecium. In the axil of each bract, a number of male flowers, each represented by a single stamen with a joint halfway up the stalk, are arranged in scorpoid cymes. जो oldest flower होता है that is nearest to the center and thus the maturation is centrifugal. In Acalypha, the inflorescence is a catkin, whereas in Croton and Ricinus, it is terminal. raceme, and in Jatropha it is terminal cyme. When we talk about the flowers, flowers are unisexual, actinomorphic, hypogynous. It is perigynous in Bridelia. They show considerable variation. In Euphorbia, both male and female flowers are naked, whereas in Anthostema, both have a tubular perianth. And in the remaining genera of the tribe, the male flowers are naked, but the female have rudimentary perianth. When we talk about the perianth, there is no discrimination between the calyx and corolla, whereas in Jatropha, both calyx and corolla are present sometimes and each has 5 members. In Croton, the corolla is distinct in the male flowers, whereas it is not clear or it is absent in the female flowers. The flowers are, however, often apetalous. In many hot, the calyx becomes petaloid. In Ricinus, male flowers have 5 sepals and the female have only 3. There are 3 or 4 sepals in Trivia and only 3 in Mercurialis. The petals, when present, are rarely perianth in 2 whorls as in Jatropha. The petals, when present, they are free or rarely united as in Jatropha. The estivation of the sepals and petals is volvate or imbricate. Androecium has variable number of stamens. 1 in Euphorbia, 3 Brainia, 3 to 5 Phyllanthus, 8 Acalypha, 10 in 2 alternate whorls with the members of the outer whorl opposite the petals in Jatropha, 15 in Chrozophora, 8 to 20 in Mercurialis, 15 to 30 in Codium, and 80 to 100 in Croton. The filaments are free or united into a column as in Brainia and Jatropha. In Phyllanthus Cyclanthera, besides filaments, the anthers are also united into a ring like common anther. There are basically 5 stamens in Ricinus opposite to the sepals, which are much branched, and the anthers are borne on the ultimate branches. The anthers are monothecous in Phyllanthus, dithecous in Euphorbia, erect or indexed in bud, and opening by longitudinal or transverse slits as in Euphorbia. Gynoecium की बात करें तो gynoecium is tricarpellary syncarpous with superior trilocular ovary. It is semi-inferior in Bridelia. 1 or 2 collateral pendulous ovules are present in each locules. Axile placentation is seen. At the base of the ovaries, nectarines are present. The styles are 3, often tripartite, free or more or less united. ये रिसिनस कम्युनिस है जिसमें कि जो मेल फ्लावर है इसमें क्राउडेड एंड कोनेट स्टेमन्स आर सीन. Polyadelphous condition of stamens is there, and in the floral diagram it is clearly shown. It is bracteate, ebracteolate. In the male flower there are 5 tepals which are fused. Estivation may be volvate or imbricate. In the female flower, perianth is 3. Again they are fused. Here androecium is 0. In the case of male flower, androecium is indefinite. Gynoecium is 0 in the case of male flower. Female flower, gynoecium is tricarpellary and syncarpous condition is seen. Ovary is superior. This is again the floral formula, whatever we said. Pollination में जो यूनिसेक्सुअल फ्लावर्स हैं नेचुरल है कि वो क्रॉस पॉलिनेट करेंगे, एंड हेयर द पॉलिनेशन इज एंटोमोफिलस taking place with the help of insects. This is due to the presence of brightly colored glands or bracts, petaloid calyx or nectar, कुछ टेक्सा हैं जैसे कि मर्क्यूरियालिस with long thread-like styles, they are anemophilous. Fruit is usually three-chambered, schizocarpic, splitting into three cocci, rarely drupe as in Phyllanthus or berry in Bischofia. Seeds are with fleshy endosperm and straight embryo. The seeds are often with a conspicuous caruncle. Seeds are dispersed by birds and animals. Some seeds are also dispersed by explosive mechanism of the capsules. Now we come to the economic importance. We all know the important species Euphorbia heta, Jatropha caucipifolia, Melotus philippensis जिससे कुमकुम बनता है, Ricinus communis which yield castor oil, Spanium indicum castor beans. Economic importance में जो Euphorbiaceae है, they furnish several valuable commodities such as food, drugs, rubber and oil. Large fleshy tuberous roots of Manihot esculenta are rich in starch and they form a valuable food stuff. जो मैनीहॉट है इसमें दो तरह की स्पीशीज हैं. एक है बिटर कसावा जिसमें कि हाई HCN कंटेंट होता है and the other with low content is sweet cassava. The poisonous juice is squeezed out and is used as an antiseptic and in preserving meat. Fruits of Phyllanthus amblyca या Amblyca officinalis, they are rich source of vitamin C. They are used to make pickles and in the treatment of scurvy. रबर में trees of Manihot glazioviae, जिसको मैनिकोबा रबर भी कहते हैं, it is tapped for latex made into rubber. Then Hevia brasiliensis para rubber tree is the best natural source of rubber. The tree is tapped by making sloping cuts on the trunk and the latex is coagulated. Medicines की बात करते हैं तो castor oil which is obtained from the seeds of Ricinus communis castor bean arund, it is used medicinally as a cathartic and mild laxative. Seeds of Croton tiglium, it is the source of croton oil जो कि purgative की तरह यूज होता है and is a constituent of rubifacian lineaments. Seeds of Jatropha curcus जिसको कि diesel plant भी कहा जाता है, the seed oil is used externally for skin diseases and rheumatism. Roots of Jatropha gossypifolia, they are employed against leprosy and as an antidote for snake bite. The leaves are applied to carbuncles and eczema. Timbers में जो wood of Aporosa dioica, wood of Trevia nudiflora, then Bischofia javanica, they are used as timber plants. Ornamentals में we all know Croton, Codium, Variegatum, Acalypha, Perilanthus, then Jatropha की various species, Euphorbia की different species which are used as hedges and they are used in gardens. For example, Euphorbia pulcherrima, poinsettia, Euphorbia millai, Euphorbia tirucalae. इसको मिल्क बुश भी कहा जाता है. Euphorbia tirucalae जो है, it is a very beautiful shrub. Then Euphorbia nerifolia. तो ये कुछ species हैं which are used as ornamental. So the various economic importance हमने देखी जिसमें कि Phyllanthus amblyca, आंवला, then medicinal importance में Ricinus communis, arundi. These are some of the main plants and the various species of Jatropha gossypifolia, various species of Jatropha जिसमें कि Jatropha curcus जो कि diesel plant and we hope for getting diesel as our future fuel. So this is all about Euphorbiaceae and thank you very much. आप लोगों को सब्सक्राइब करना है हमारा YouTube चैनल that is CCE Raj, JDB, GGC Kota,